Good morning, everyone. Grade 5th. So, how are you? Last lecture we have done page number 78, 79, 80. So, now today I am going to start exercise page number 81, exercise number 1. So, see the exercise number 1, page number 81. So, complete avec les jours ou les mois. Okay, complete avec les jours ou les mois. So complete with the days of the months. So first one is nous sommes en mois de. Okay, nous sommes, this one is we are, en mois is month, the October, we are in the month of October. So B part, Noel Noel is your Christmas. Okay, is in 25th of December. Okay, then C part, aujourd'hui is today, c'est jeudi, it's Thursday. Okay, then samedi is Saturday and dimanche is the Sunday, c'est la weekend, these are, it's a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, it's a weekend. Okay, le weekend is weekend. Then E part, mon anniversaire is my birthday, is in March. March is your March. Okay, this is a month name, March. Then F is demain c'est vendredi. Then tomorrow is, demain is tomorrow, c'est vendredi, it's Friday. Okay, vendredi is this one is Friday. Okay, G part, nous fêtons les jours de l'année en. Okay, we celebrate the new year day when 1st of Jan. So in the month of Jan. Okay, janvier, the sound is janvier. Okay, then H part is hier c'est mercredi. Hier, this word is yesterday. This one, hier, H-I-E-R, meaning is yesterday, a mercredi. Yesterday was mercredi. Mercredi is the Wednesday. Okay, so this is your first exercise. Okay, based on the days or the months. Okay, so see the next exercise, page number 82. Okay, complétez les tables. This table is based on this one, 3 steps. One is hier, yesterday, aujourd'hui is today, and demain is tomorrow. Okay, so for example, yesterday was dimanche, Sunday, then today is lundi, is Monday, and day after tomorrow is mardi. Okay, Tuesday. Okay, so these 2 blanks we have to fill. Okay, then aujourd'hui is today is jeudi, then tomorrow is vendredi, then day after tomorrow is samedi. Okay, then demain, for example, I am taking mercredi. Mercredi is Wednesday, this one is mercredi, jeudi is Thursday, and vendredi is Friday. Okay, this one you can fill any 3, no problem. Okay, then you have to see the year. This one is year, yesterday, aujourd'hui is today, and demain is tomorrow. Okay, so these 3 you have to fill. Then after that, question number 4, répondez en question. You have to write the answers. Okay, question number 4, the first one is il y a combien de jours dans une semaine. Une semaine is the week. Okay, il y a combien, there are how many days in a week. Okay, this ilya meaning is there, combien is how many or how much, there are 2 meanings, but here is how many. Jour is the day. Okay, une semaine is a week, and da is used for in. Okay, this one da. So this answer is il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a, there are 7 jours is 7 days the yun semen is a week. Okay, same question B part. Ilya combia the moa the yunane. There are how many months in a year? Okay, this ane is year. So Ilya duz moa da yunane. Duz moa. Duz is 12. Moa is month. Da yuin ane. Da yuin ane is year. Okay. So next is C part. Con a votre anniversaire. Con use for when. Okay, this one con. Q-U-A-N-D. When is your birthday? So mon anniversaire est en mars. My birthday is in March. Okay, this one March. Then D part. Quand est l'anniversaire de votre ami? Votre ami is the friend. Okay. So l'anniversaire de mon ami est en juin. Okay, juin is the month of June. Okay. L'anniversaire de mon ami. The birthday of my friend is in juin. Juin is your June, month of June. Okay. So this is exercise 4. Okay, questions are there 4, and you have to write the answer and learn these. Then see the exercise number 5, match the columns. So the first one is bon anniversaire. We have to write the meanings. Okay, translate English form. So the first one is bon anniversaire is happy birthday. Okay, this one. Then bon weekend, have a nice weekend. Bon voyage, have a nice journey. Okay. Bon vacances, have a nice vacations. And bon journée, okay, have a nice day. Right. So this is your match the columns. And exercise number 7, écoutez et remplissez. Same questions are there. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Ce sont. There are 7 days in a week. Ce sont. These are. Okay. C'est lundi, Monday. Mardi is Tuesday. Mercredi is Wednesday. Jeudi is Thursday. Vendredi is Friday. Samedi is Saturday. And dimanche is Sunday. Then B part. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Ce sont. Il y a 12 mois. 12 months. Okay. And une année. So ce sont. These are. Then write the 12 names of. Okay, so first one is janvier, second is février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, october, november, december. We have already done these two questions, A part and B part. So again see the page number 83, exercise 7. These two questions repeated. Il y a 16 jours dans une semaine, c'est son. And this one, and this is il y a 12 mois dans une année. There are 12 months in a year. C'est son. These are. Okay. This one c'est son. These are. Right. So you have to write and learn all these exercises. Okay. This chapter is complete now. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So please, when you go for reading, keep your finger. Okay. When you do reading properly, so keep your finger and read and listen this video at least 3 times. Then you know the meanings and everything. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Take care, everyone.